dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. This is a really quick video on how I got this hair color. So what I did was I used the watercolor method. Now I bleached this hair myself. It was a dark brown black natural type of color. This is a frontal and some bundles. So I'm using the Adore Truly Red and the Adore Crimson, and this is just hot water out of my sink. I did not boil this. So make sure you guys have some gloves on. So I'm just pouring that dye right into that water, and I'm just making sure I'm using all the dye. I'm going to dip it in the water just to make sure I get that dye that's still in the bottle, and then I'm just going to make sure that it's mixed really well, and then I'm going to pour that other bottle in there as well. And you can kind of do a dye test. I'm just taking this paper towel that I was already using and just dipping that in there just to see what the color is looking like. And I like this color. So now I'm going to go ahead and dip my hair. So I did cut the rubber band off of the bundles. I did not leave that on there. And I'm just dipping everything into the water, making sure that all of the strands are submerged, because you don't want any blonde strands in your colored hair. So I'm just going through making sure they're all submerged. I did completely submerge my frontal, so you don't have to worry about that. You can just submerge everything and make sure that everything is getting colored. So that was after literally like 1 or 2 minutes of being in the water. So it dyes really quickly, and I'm just going to leave it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. So here's what I'm looking like after 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this out. I'm going to make my wig, apply it, and I'll be back to show you guys. So just so you ladies know, I did bleach my knots on my frontal, and I did leave the frontal a little bit dark rooted. So I didn't color this dark. It was already like that. I just applied the bleach so the roots would stay dark. So here is my finished look. If you guys want to see the install on this look, make sure you check out my video. I will link it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.